Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. So I'm here, so I'm teaching you this story, interesting story that how stories came into the world. Now that all the creatures and the creators like the God, he just called all the creature and he has given the taste to all the creatures like people and animals, that there is a one test that you have to do, that I'm giving you a grain of rice so that you can exchange that grain of rice into camel. Then the all creatures are thinking that no, it's not possible. How it's possible that a grain change into a camel? Then after that, a girl she is sitting behind all the creatures. Then she said that I would like to do, I would like to think, I would like to do that, and I would like to try that to change that. Then the creature said that who are you? Who is that? Then the girl said that I am Lori. Then after the creature, the God has given the grain of rice to her, to Lori, and then she just left that grain in some villages, and then after she just dropped that grain of rice onto the ground, and she waited. And then after she showed that any hen will come and he will eat quickly that grains, and then after the Lodi just grabbed that all hen and he just ran to the farmer. Then look, she cried, your hen has eaten my grain of rice, but I can't give you a handle of grains of rice in return, said the farmer. Then the girl just she just took that hen and she just gone to the farmer, and she started crying in front of the farmer, and she said that see that your hen has eaten my grain of rice. Then the farmer said that okay, don't worry, in that I will handle you a grain of rice in return. Then no, that grain was given me by the creator. You must bring me the hen. Then that the grain. Then the girl said that no, I don't need a long rice of handle of grains. I just need one hen, because this grain has given me the creature, the God. So I just want only one hen. And so Lodi became the owner of a hen. Then after the Lodi became the owner of that hen. Then after, now it was getting dark, Lodi stopped at an inn for the night. Please don't put my hen with your hen. It's too big. Put it with your goats. Then it's become the dark night. Then the girl said that please don't put my hen in your hands, because my hen is big, so that my hen you can put it with your goats. Then but in the morning, sure enough, when Lori went to get her hen, she found that it has been trampled to death by the goat. Then after in the morning that she showed that, and then after Lori just find her hen, then she saw that the goats he has crushed the hen. Don't worry, said the innkeeper, I will give you a bigger hen. Then after the inner keeper said that don't worry, I will give you a bigger hen. Then but that hen was far from the creator himself, said Lodi sadly. You will have to me give a goat. Then after the girl said to innkeeper that I don't need hen, because that hen has given to me the creator. So I need give me a goat. Then so Lori become the owner of a goat. Then after the Lori become the owner of a goat, because he on that time he is using the mind, because he is very clever. So in favor of the hen, she just took first of all in favor of the grain, she took the hen from the farmers, and then after that in favor of hen he took the gates from the innkeeper. And then after just see that what she is doing, his mind is doing. Then after that night she arrived at the last village, which was on the edge of the desert, And then last night she arrived and in the village where it is the last edge of the desert. Then she found a bed for the night and said to the owner, please don't put my goat with your goats. He is very fierce and will fight with them. Put them in your camels. And then the girl said, and then after he just found a bed for that night, then she said that please don't put my goat because she is very fearless. If she will hurt your goats, then don't tell me that because she is very powerful. My goat is very powerful. So she said that, and he will fight with them. So it's better that you can put my goats with your camels. Then in the morning, sure enough, when Lori went to get her goat, she found it had been trampled to death by the camels. Then after again in the morning, same case, she find that her gate she just crushed out and trampled and dead by the camels. And then don't worry, I can give you another goat, said the man. Then the man said to the Lori, please don't cry, don't worry, I will give you the another goat. Then again she said that, but the goat was from the creature himself, said Lori sadly. You can just give me a camel. Then after the girl said that because the goat has given, the creature had given himself to me, so I don't need that goat. Instead of goat, you just give me a camel. Then after, so Lori become the owner of a camel. After that, the Lori become the owner of the camel. So she's very clever that how she that with the help of grains, rice of grain, she can become the owner of the camel. She's just using that mind. So what happened? So you just watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.